What's going on, y'all? We making Canadian bacon today. And of course, you see we have a multitude of ingredients. We starting off with some honey, some kosher salt, some black peppercorns, some pink curing salt, white sugar, brown sugar, 12 cups of water, garlic powder, and some rosemary, y'all. That's our spices for today. But anyway, let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty.
Now in a food safe container, we added 8 cups of water into this pot. We're gonna add 4 cups of water to make our gallon of water, y'all.
1 cup of brown sugar. 1 cup of white sugar. 3/4 of a cup of kosher salt. Now this is the most important part. 1 tablespoon of your pink curing salt. Number 1. 1 tablespoon, y'all, just 1 tablespoon. Getting that wrong can hurt you. Now we're just going for the herbs and our spices. So we can go however we really want with that. So for me, I'm gonna do about 10 peppercorns, tablespoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, y'all, cayenne pepper, a tablespoon of rosemary, and a 1/4 cup of honey. Now you can use maple syrup for this. I would definitely not use like the syrup that isn't authentic, that's made with mostly sugar. Don't use that, y'all. You can use molasses, but I definitely wouldn't recommend regular, nothing but sugar syrup. And for me, about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And we're gonna bring this up to a simmer, just get everything mixed with. And that's our brine, y'all. That's our brine.
As that comes up to a simmer, we want to go ahead and whisk them ingredients up and make it all blend in together into one good brine.
We're gonna go ahead and add our other 4 cups of water. Now we already have 8 cups of water in here. Because remember, we gotta have a gallon, y'all. Gotta have a gallon. So we're gonna get our brine in there. We're gonna get this a good mix. After we get that mix good, we're gonna get that tenderloin in, y'all. We're gonna let this sit until it cool all the way off, and then we're gonna get into the refrigerator, and we're gonna let this sit in this brine for 4 days, flipping every day.
Now after 4 days, we want to go ahead and rinse this off with cold water, making sure that we getting all that extra salt and even them peppercorns off that pork loin. And then of course we gonna go ahead and get into that smoker until we reach a temperature of 145 degrees. Now this is what we looking like when we come out that smoker. Look at that color, y'all. Don't it look good? Oh yeah. Now we gonna let this sit until it cools all the way out. For me, I'm gonna set it in the refrigerator overnight. Now here we go on the next day. And now we just want to cut it thin. Now, I prefer to let mine sit overnight. The biggest reason is it's easier to cut when it's cold, y'all. You get a much smoother cut. When it's hot, it tends to fall apart. You don't want that. You want good Canadian bacon slices. And try to slice them thin, y'all. For me, I try to do about 1/8 of an inch. Comes out really tasty, y'all. Now this is one of my favorite ways to eat it. I usually have it for breakfast. I have my Canadian bacon with my noodles. Now these are just Roman noodles that I cooked in some beef broth, because I don't like to use that seasoning pack, because it usually have too much sodium in it, y'all. You know them noodles have way too much sodium. But anyway, I have me a nice egg with mine. And you see how I like it cooked, y'all. I just throw it in that noodle broth. Let it cook down for just a few minutes. And yeah, got me a beautiful egg. So let's go ahead and get us a piece of some of this noodle. Get a piece of egg. And of course, we gotta get a piece of that Canadian bacon, y'all. Let's get us a good taste of this. Oh yeah, look at that bite, y'all. Look at that bite. So tasty, y'all, so tasty. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.